The Smeg Blast Chiller is designed to bring professional level performance into your kitchen at home. It offers a wide range of functions to help preserve the quality of food, reduce food waste, and save time. In this video, we'll take a closer look into the core functions available with a particular focus on its specialised programmes. One of the core capabilities is the blast chilling function, which rapidly reduces the temperature of freshly cooked food, preserving nutritional value, texture, and flavour. For example, if you've prepared a soup, leaving it to cool at room temperature risks bacterial growth and nutrient loss. Placing it hot into your conventional fridge uses unnecessary energy and may compromise the food quality. The Blast Chiller, however, cools it safely and quickly, helping you retain as much nutrition and flavour as possible. The chiller also features a reheating function. With a temperature range from -35 degrees to +75 degrees Celsius, this allows you to take food from frozen to ready to serve, all within one appliance. The ready to eat function adds further convenience, allowing you to place a cooked meal into the chiller in the morning and schedule it to reheat automatically in time for dinner. This is particularly ideal for high-risk foods that cannot sit at room temperature. The Blast Chiller is also equipped with a deep freezing function that freezes food so quickly that it forms only microscopic ice crystals, unlike the larger crystals formed within a conventional freezer, which can damage the food structure. For example, raspberries frozen in a domestic freezer tend to become soft and mushy when defrosted. When rapidly frozen in the Blast Chiller, they retain their structure, colour and flavour. This also applies to proteins, such as steak or chicken breast. Less moisture is lost when defrosting and the texture remains intact. Additionally, enjoy the safety of consuming sushi-grade raw fish made possible by blast freezing the fish at extremely cold temperatures for extended periods of time. This eliminates anything harmful, allowing you to enjoy delicious fresh fish at home, no longer something only possible at restaurants. The chiller also includes a dedicated preservation function, designed to store food at precise, stable temperatures. This function is great for items such as fresh fish, raw meat or dough, all of which are ingredients that benefit from being kept just above freezing to maintain freshness and texture without having to freeze. It's ideal for short-term storage when prepping meals or preserving delicate ingredients. Selected models even have the ability to be controlled via your phone or tablet. Smeg Connect gives you the ultimate control to determine the temperature of your Blast Chiller ahead of time. Whether it's preparing for that last-minute drink celebration, a quick restock of ice for the barbecue, or getting the temperature ready for your shopping, you can have your Blast Chiller ready to go. Beyond chilling and freezing, the Blast Chiller also offers a range of specialised programmes that support more advanced cooking techniques. The dedicated yoghurt function is ideal for those who like to cook from scratch. The chiller maintains a consistent low temperature ideal for fermentation. Simply combine the milk with a yoghurt starter and the chiller will create the perfect environment for natural yoghurt to develop over several hours. The result is a smooth, creamy homemade yoghurt with no special equipment required. The chiller also features probe cooking, which allows you to slow cook with exceptional precision. Insert the temperature probe into the centre of the food, such as a leg of lamb, brisket, or even a whole chicken, and the appliance will maintain a steady low temperature until the target internal temperature is reached. This ensures perfect results every time. For baking enthusiasts, the proving function holds the internal temperature at around 30 degrees Celsius, ideal for proving dough. It creates a stable, draft-free environment that supports consistent and even rising, whether you're making a sourdough loaf, brioche, or homemade pizza dough. The drinks function is ideal for quickly chilling wine, soft drinks, or even bottled water. It can also be used to gently warm red wine to the perfect serving temperature, particularly useful during colder months when wine is stored at room temperature and may be too cool. Finally, to maintain the best performance, the Blast Chiller includes a dedicated automatic cleaning function. This cycle helps clean the internal chamber, ensuring it's always ready for its next use. For day-to-day cleaning, a quick wipe down using a damp microfiber cloth is recommended. Use only non-abrasive, chlorine-free cleaning products to protect the internal surfaces. There are so many incredible functions to utilise within the Smeg Blast Chiller, a small appliance with a huge impact in the kitchen. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.